Hi guys, welcome back to your channel Wealthwise. I hope you are having a good start of the week and today we are here to make it even better. Today we have come up with the dividend stock companies along with its record date. But before that, as usual, do not forget to like, share and comment on our video and subscribe to our channel Wealthwise. Also, please press the bell icon to get notified about our new updates. Have you invested in the stocks? These are the major companies like Divi's Laboratories, Indian Oil, IEX, Godfrey Phillips, Coal India, Jubilant Pharmanova, Varun Beverages, which is a multibagger company, and the link to this video we have shared in the description below. If you are holding on to this stock, please hold it longer as these companies are giving the dividend value and its record date is in this week. Let's have a look at the companies along with its record date and the dividend value. If you have a look at the Coal India and if you are holding on to 1000 shares of Coal India, it is giving almost rupees of 3 per share, that is 3000 rupees of dividend. Similarly, Divi's Laboratories is giving the dividend of rupees 30 per share. So if you are holding on to 100 shares of Divi's Laboratories and it is equivalent to 3000 INR of the dividend value. So, if you are holding on to any of the stocks, please hold it till its record date and post that you can make a decision of buying and selling as per the market scenario. Well, please pause on to this video and have a good look at the companies. So guys, let's collaborate and grow together. Do not forget to follow us on our Telegram, WhatsApp and YouTube channel. Also guys, Raksha Bandhan is around the corner and we have a good news for all the brothers who wish to gift to their sisters. We are coming up with the stock that you can gift to your sister in our coming video. So stay tuned and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.